Hey beauties, welcome back to my channel. So today I have Callie here with me. We're going to be trying out the new Colourpop Princess collection, and it has all the princesses on here. The packaging is really cute. This is the gold box it came in. I picked up one of these color shock, which is called Under the Sea. It looks really good, really pretty. I also picked up two lipstick shades. I got Ariel and I got Snow White. I really wanted Jasmine, but it was sold out, so we had to settle for these two. So this is the eyeshadow palette here. I am going to be playing around with just a few colors, and Callie's going to be playing around.
This one too, and that one.
Oh, that's really nice. And you're going to play with this one.
Okay. Wait, let me see yours.
I'm going to start with a boo, and then just put that right up here. Wait, it's so sweaty. It's hot in here.
I gotta close it. Okay, I'll try it with my hand.
Do you want a brush?
Oh, yeah.
This is a really pretty color, and it actually is very pigmented, and it's also blending really nice, so that's amazing.
Hey, look!
Where is it? Oh, I see. Really nice.
It's a little hard to see because I don't know how to open my eyes good. I mean, open my eyelids good. Because it's hard for kids. Why is Callie putting makeup too?
Alright, so next I'm going to take the color, I think I'm going to use Midnight Curfew.
I'd like to go with
Midnight Curfew is pretty
I'm
dark.
going to use purple.
Okay, cool.
Yeah.
Ooh, this is really pigmented. This is so pigmented. I am actually shocked. Like, it's so pigmented, you guys. What color is that? No, don't use that color. No, just use the purple, not the black one.
Why?
Because it's going to look crazy if you use it. Alright, so I'm going to just blend the black in using a little blending brush. I'm just going to add some right up here. So just blend it into the other color. And then we're just going to blend these two together. Oh no, I kind of want to use this beautiful color.
I'm going to use that one again.
With this beautiful shade down here. Oh my gosh, this color is so beautiful.
Me too. I think it's beautiful.
I do too. I think it's amazing.
Can you wipe it off?
Okay.
Okay, I'll wipe it off. I'm not gonna wait too longer.
For lipsticks, we have Snow White and we have Ariel. I'm going to use Ariel. Oh my gosh. Wait. Wait. Callie, I think you missed your whole lip.
That's strange.
I think you did another one, actually.
Alright.
Alright, so I'm going to do lip liner. So I'm going to do blush and highlight really quickly. Alright, so for blush, we're going to use the Callie compact. It has 3 colors. It was a little indecisive.
Is there even any on me?
Yeah, there is.
Then why I can't see it?
Because it's just a little bit.
Oh, I'll get some more.
They're like right here. Yeah, on the apple of your cheek. So for highlight, I want to use Fenty's How Many Carats. This is the Fenty Diamond Bomb. I haven't used this.
Can I try it too?
Sure.
But there's only one.
I know, but we have to share it.
So blabbery too.
Okay, so we're gonna take some of this.
Okay, I'm taking it too. You never let me eat it.
Oh, that's enough, Kelly. That's like a lot. Okay.
It is enough. Where do you put it?
Right up here.
Right there?
Yeah, like up here only. We go right here with some. I'm gonna put a little bit of the Prince Charming in my inner corner.
Okay, I'll get some more. I need a little bit more.
Need some more?
A little bit.
So I'm gonna take some of Prince Charming from the palette and I'm gonna add that right in this inner corner. Oh, this is pretty. This color is beautiful.
I'm done. Can I? Yeah. Can I try?
Sure.
Me too. I am going to get some too.
It was pretty good. Alright, so I'm gonna do my lashes and then we'll be back to show you guys the complete look.
Yes. Let me put a little bit of saffron.
Put this on there. Guys, so we are done with the entire look. We just wanted to share our thoughts on the collection with you. I loved everything I picked up in the collection. The eyeshadow palette is bomb. Yes, it's bomb. The lipstick colors we chose are really beautiful, and this is my favorite. This one right here is my absolute favorite. It is beautiful. I think it's such a beautiful color, you guys. If you get anything from this collection, it should be this in Under the Sea. So I love the collection. I really want the rest of the lip color, so hopefully they come back in stock because I want Jasmine for obvious reasons. Anyways, you guys, that is it for the video. Hope you enjoyed Callie and I getting glam. I am really feeling this cheek right here. Turn this way. Turn this way. Look this way. I am really feeling this cheek. Do you guys see this glow? Wait, let's put the mirror under it. Do you see this glow? Like, she is glowing in Fenty right now.
I see it.
You see it? It's so beautiful. Alright, you guys, that is it for the video. I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Okay, we'll have our next video.
Say bye.
Bye.